welcome back to Red Ted Art. Yes, it is another special bonus video. We have 3 cards that you can make this spring. This is a one that you have to assemble. This is great for Mother's Day or a birthday. We love the paper weaving, it looks really great. And as with the other ones, down below you can print these out and have a go at making these at home. There's a bunny basket, there is a chick in an egg paper weaving, and there is of course this wonderful Mother's Day card. Now these are all on fast forward, so they're really just to show you quickly how to do it, but let's take a look and see how they're made anyway. Now I know that was a fast and furious video, but I do hope you like these adorable daffodil basket cards. As mentioned, I think these make great birthday cards. There's a free printable for you down below, so do take a look at those. And these are all bonus videos for spring. They're fabulous, and I do love how this stands up. Isn't that cool? Really good. So as per usual, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making, and we'd love to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.